Hello, beautiful kids. Welcome once again to another fun session of Fun Learn Explore. We're really sorry for not posting in a long time, but this episode is going to be fun. This is about spelling. Today, we are going to be learning about three-letter words. So, you have to fill in the question mark of the three-letter word. If you guessed the word, good job. If you didn't, try better next time. There are a lot of examples to test you. So, are you ready to get yourselves tested? Let's start. So, A and then question mark T. What letter could the question mark replace? Look at the picture. Yes, it's ant. And the letter that should be replaced is N. N, A, N, T. C, question mark, T. What letter could the question mark replace? Look at the picture. If you said A, spot on. You see, the picture is a cat. K-A-T. Cat. D something, G. What letter could the question mark replace? That's right, O. The picture shows a dog. D-O-G. D-O-G. Dog. Great. E something, G. What letter could the question mark replace? If you said G, wow, even you're faster than me at guessing that. Good job. The picture shows an egg. But it sounds like there's only one G, but guess what? If you think harder, there's actually two. Egg. 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 Something E. Something E. Look at the picture. Don't forget. This three-letter word is rather interesting. If you said bee, that's the name of the insect. Bee. B-E. Bee. Bee. Ooh. C-O something. Wonder what the question mark could replace. Wait. If I look at the picture, is that a cow? A cow? That might give you a hint. If you said W, good job. Because the picture shows a cow, w, and W makes the sound w. K-ow, k-ow, cow. P something N. What could the question mark replace with the letter? You guys have to make sure to look at the pictures, okay? If you are, good job. Keep it up. So, I guess the picture shows like a pan, I think. If you said A for this one, spot on. Good job. This is pan. P-A-N. The missing letter is A. Egg. Egg. Ooh, that animal in the picture. It looks like a pig. Is it a pig? Is it? Then what letter could that question mark be replaced with? Well, it's a pig. P, p, p. What letter makes the sound P? If you said P, good job. Because this is a pig. P-E-G. P-E-G. Pig. Next up is a mat. M-A-M-A. What letter makes the sound T? Oh, I'm not sure. Will you help me out here, guys? If you said T, good job, because M-A-T, M-A-T. Great job, guys. Keep it up. K, something. K, k. Look at the picture. It shows a cup. So in the letters, it says K. What could be in the middle of that? I wonder. If you said U, good job, because it is K, up. U makes the sound or it can sometimes make the sound oo. But in the word cup, it makes So U has two sounds, and oo. Okay, let's move on. Something. An, fan? Is it N? I think it is. Suits it very well. S. S. Bus. The picture says a bus. And what letter makes the S sound? S. S. You're right. It's S. And the word is bus. Something, ed. Something, ed. Ed. Ooh, the color of that is red. Do you think R could replace that? I think R would definitely replace that. And yes, it is red. Ed. Something. I can see a sun in the picture. Wow, we're really getting good at this. N. N. Is it sun? It is sun. Okay, this is our second last one. Un. Looks like he's running. Un. What letter makes the sound? R. Run. Last one, guys. Keep it up. Something. Something. Well, that picture looks like a bathtub. Wait, if you take out bath from bathtub, it remains with tub. It's B. So B is going to go there, I think. Is it? Do you guys agree with me? Yes, it is tub. So I hope you guys really liked this episode. If you haven't, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe this video. Thank you.